division. So first of all, you should introduce log here. So it would be log 0.0875 divided by 18.75. Don't skip any steps. For each and every step, you will get at least 1.5 mark. Thereafter, log 0.0875, since it is a division inside the logarithmic, outside it will become a subtraction. Log 18.75. Okay. So after this, you should express this one in scientific notation. Log 8.75 multiplied with 10 with the power of negative 2 minus log 1.875 multiplied with 10 with the power of positive 1. Okay. This is the thing we need to do first of all. Thereafter, by using logarithmic table, you should identify respective values for these two. So 8.75. So 85th row and 5th column. You should find the respective value for that one. We will find 87.5. So 87th row, 5th column. Here we have 87th row and 5th column. Fifth column means this one. That is 94.20. 94.20. In that there is no any mean difference included. So you can keep only 94.20 with you. That's enough. For the next one, it is 1875. So 1.875. That means 18th row, 7th column. We will find that one as well. This is 18th row, 7th column. This one. 2718 plus 5th mean difference. 1.875. So 18th row, 7th column, 5th mean difference, which is 12. With that, we need to add 12. It will give you 2730. So we are going to use these values in our calculations. So those values are, this is negative 2. So that means bar 2.0.9420. Sorry. Bar 2.9420. In the table we found 9420 for this respective value. Similarly, here you have a subtraction, so you can keep that one, and thereafter this power, it is positive 1.1875. We found it as 2730. 2730. So we need to do the operation between whole numbers separately and decimal numbers separately. It is bar 2 means negative 2 plus 0.9420, and minus into plus, it's minus 1 minus into this plus. Okay, for the decimal also it is positive. So positive into negative, it's negative 0.2730. I'll repeat again. Here bar 2 means negative 2. Decimal was plus. Mostly that is always a positive value. Positive 0.9420 here. Negative times positive, it's negative 1. Decimal is always a positive quantity. Negative times positive, that one also will become negative 0.2730. This negative 2 and negative 1 both will become negative 3. Negative 3. Then let's do the operation between these decimals. So that will give you positive 0.69 again 6. So 0.6690. 0.6690. So that means it can be expressed as, look at this, what we did after calculations. It became negative 3 plus 0.6690. Negative 3 means it is bar 3 in logarithmic notation, bar 3.6690. Earlier we introduced logarithmic. Now we need to terminate logarithmics again. So antilog of this value, antilog of the same value, we need to find the antilog. For this, let's find antilog. Antilog means inside the table we need to find its respective value, and that should be multiplied with 10 with the power of bar 3. Since it is bar 3 multiplied with negative 3. It should be multiplied with negative 3. Inside the tables we are going to find 6690. 6690 means we have 6656. 66 93 we have, 984 we have. We need exactly 6690. That means let's select 6684. With that, when we add number 6, that will give you 6690. So in the same row, let's find the 6 as mean difference. Yeah, here we obtained it. That means this was splitted into 6684 plus 6. 6684 means 46th row, 46th row and 6th column. 46th row and 6th column. Mean difference as 6. That one also 6. Again, that one also became 6. 66.9 was identified inside the table. 66.84 plus 6. We found their respective row number, column number and respective mean difference. That is 4666. That means 4 point. In between 1 to 10, 4.666. It is 4.666. So you can keep your number as it is. Otherwise, if you want to make it as a whole decimal, it will become 0. The decimal should move 3 digits left hand side. 1, 2, 3. That means 0.004666. This would be the answer. From the beginning, a quick recap. Initially, there is a division. We introduced logarithmics first. Thereafter, inside the logarithmic, separately we indicated as 2 subtractions. Then the decimal values in each logarithmics converted to scientific notation, and by using the logarithmic table we found 87th row and 5th column. Here 18th row, 7th column and 5th mean difference. Bar 2.9420, here positive 1.2730. After we did the calculation between the whole numbers and decimal numbers to got the final answer as bar 3.6690. Then antilog for the respective value. Antilog would be inside the table we found 6690 as 4.6666 should be multiplied with 10 with the power of negative 3. That will give you 0.004666. It would be the final answer for the logarithmic question.